Hi guys, Russ here, Trimporters. Let's talk about this negative strap I've just taken a picture of in the T25 conversion we're doing here. This is on the leisure battery that sits in the passenger seat box. We'll start with the first thing, that screw. That screw is what's putting the negative connection to the body. Not ideal. 2.5mm cable, 2.5mm square. Definitely not ideal. And to top it off, why put them in tight, eh? Why not just have them finger tight to be able to earth your battery to your van, eh? You know, it's not like there isn't information out there. Use it, do it right, do it properly. Unbelievable.